Have you ever wondered what makes quiet people tick? Welcome to a journey into the uncharted terrain of introverted humor, where laughter resonates in the subtle and the observant. Today, we'll explore the unique ways introverts weave connections through their distinct sense of humor, unveiling the quiet magic that transforms everyday moments into shared laughter. So, get ready to discover the untold tales of wit, timing, and the delightful dance of introverted comedy. Let's dive into the world where humor speaks volumes in whispers, because humor is a universal language that transcends cultural and social boundaries. It serves as a powerful tool for connection, breaking the ice, and fostering bonds between individuals. While extroverts might be known for their outgoing and boisterous comedic styles, introverts possess a distinct and often underrated sense of humor that is equally compelling. In this exploration, we delve into the unique humor styles of introverts and how they wield this tool for meaningful connections. Introversion Unveiled: The Quiet Power of Humor. Introverts, often perceived as reserved and thoughtful, possess a humor that is nuanced and rich. Their comedic arsenal is not defined by loud punchlines or attention-grabbing antics. Instead, it thrives in the realm of subtlety, wit, and observation. For introverts, humor is a finely tuned instrument, played with a quiet confidence that resonates deeply with those who understand its melody. The observational wit of introverts. One of the hallmarks of introverted humor is its observational nature. Introverts keenly observe the world around them, picking up on subtle details that others might overlook. This astute awareness forms the foundation for their humor, allowing them to craft jokes and anecdotes that highlight the quirks and idiosyncrasies of everyday life. Consider the introvert at a social gathering, quietly observing the dynamics at play. Their humor might emerge from a witty comment about the amusing habits of people or a sly remark that captures the essence of the situation. This observational wit creates a unique brand of humor that invites others to see the world through the introvert's perceptive lens. The power of the pause: introverts use timing wisely for a good laugh. Introverted humor is a dance of timing and precision. Unlike the extroverted comedian who thrives on rapid-fire delivery, introverts often embrace the art of the pause. The well-timed silence before delivering a punchline can create a powerful comedic effect, drawing attention to the subtlety of their humor. This deliberate pacing allows introverts to establish a connection with their audience, inviting them to lean in and engage with the humor on a deeper level. The pause becomes a moment of shared understanding, as introverts and their audience connect through the unspoken language of timing. The playful twist of introverted irony. Irony is a close companion to introverted humor. Introverts masterfully employ irony to navigate the complexities of social interactions and express their perspectives. It's not uncommon for an introvert to deliver a humorous remark with a deadpan expression, allowing the irony to land with a delightful twist. Introverted irony often serves as a shield and a bridge. It shields introverts from the discomfort of direct confrontation, offering a gentle and indirect means of expressing dissent or amusement. Simultaneously, it becomes a bridge, connecting individuals who appreciate the layered subtleties of irony, creating a shared space where humor thrives. Self-deprecation can be a humble offering of laughter. Self-deprecating humor is a powerful facet of introverted comedy. Far from seeking pity or validation, introverts use self-deprecation as a means of fostering connection. By poking fun at their own idiosyncrasies or perceived quirks, introverts invite others to laugh along, breaking down barriers and creating a shared space of acceptance. In the realm of self-deprecating humor, introverts find common ground with their audience. The willingness to laugh at oneself becomes an invitation for others to do the same, fostering a sense of camaraderie and understanding. It's a humble offering of vulnerability that transforms laughter into a bridge between individuals. Navigating the social landscape offers humor as an introvert's social lubricant. We often navigate social landscapes with a thoughtful approach, use humor as a social icebreaker that eases the tension in various situations. Whether in a professional setting or a casual gathering, introverted humor becomes a tool for breaking down social barriers and establishing connections. Consider the introverted colleague who uses a well-timed joke during a meeting to diffuse tension, or the introvert at a party who employs humor to gracefully navigate social interactions. In these moments, humor becomes a bridge that spans the gap between introverts and the external world, allowing for genuine connections to blossom. The digital realm can be great for introverted humor in the age of memes and GIFs. In the age of memes, GIFs, and online humor, introverts find a unique space to express their comedic prowess. The digital realm offers introverts an opportunity to craft and share humor on their terms, free from the immediate pressures of face-to-face interactions. Introverted humor flourishes in the clever captions of memes, the subtleties of GIF selections, and the nuances of online communication. It becomes a tool for introverts to connect with like-minded individuals across the globe, sharing laughs and forging connections in the vast expanse of the digital landscape. Harnessing the magic, introverted humor for lasting connections. Introverted humor is a quiet magic, weaving connections through the threads of observation, timing, irony, and self-awareness. To harness this magic for lasting connections, both introverts and those around them can benefit from a deeper understanding of the subtleties at play. For introverts, embracing their unique humor styles is an invitation to authenticity. By allowing their humor to flow naturally, introverts can create spaces of connection where like-minded individuals feel seen and understood. It's a journey of self-expression that transforms laughter into a bridge between souls. For those engaging with introverted humor, a willingness to appreciate the subtleties is key. The laughter of an introvert may not always echo loudly, but its resonance is profound. By tuning into the nuances, listeners become co-creators of connection, participating in the dance of humor that transcends introversion and extroversion. In conclusion, introverted humor is a treasure waiting to be unearthed, a language spoken in the quiet moments and the shared laughter between kindred spirits. As we navigate the tapestry of human connections, let us celebrate the unique comedic voices of introverts, recognizing the profound impact of their laughter on the symphony of human experience. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.